Natives of Simha Rasi. This session is about Simha Rasi. Simha Rasi is denoted as divine urge towards procreation. The natives of this Rasi puts time first. Keep faith on their deeds. Miracle happens. Simha Rasi is symbolized by a mighty figure lion, a masculine fury and a fixed temperament depiction. The significance of lion symbol is a delighted light shining through various colors to elate, fills soul with joy, excitement, happiness, and ecstasy. The natives put forth his fundamental creative thoughts in a complex form, which leads to another creative form denotes self learning wisdom. The natives of Simrasi transforms spiritual energy into material form, represents creativity, portraying his divine nature. Simrasi presiding deity is Ardhanarishwarar in Tiruchengood, Tamil Nadu in India. The deity is appearing in an unique form, half male and half female of Lord Shiva, which is a rare form of divine sacredly worshipped as principal deity. Lord is revered here as Madhurubagan and Ammayappan depicts mother father appearance, shows secret of true sacredness, true happiness, the man or woman who asks for no return, an unselfish personality, the most successful form of Ardhanarishwarar. The natives perform all deeds with great mind and concentration, renouncing attachment and looking upon success and failure with an equal eye. Believes spirituality articulates equanimity. The temple is famous for dispelling the effects of Nagadoshas. The ruling planet is Sun or Surya is a grace and glow radiating planet. The ruler Sun bestows native with sparkling effect and zeal, grow with affection and being generous. The natives have confidence in them, see failures and setbacks on positive side. The natives always looks energetic, charged, personify what they want to achieve in life with much delightfulness. The characteristic qualities of Simha Rasi are attain self knowledge by self learning, gain self confidence, believe self knowledge is better than self control as it is a sure footedness they can meet life comfortably proved by experience. They engage in ventures and bondages in a sort of care, commitment, knowledge, responsibility, respect, and trust. They attain self knowledge not by learning from borrowed thoughts from others, but by self experience and wisdom. Come to realize in life that they know only little. Even after going through literatures, scriptures, and colossal reading, the natives have established within themselves, without selfish attachments, see success and defeat equally. Self centered, aspiring, ambitious, and exhibits perfectness through arrogant nature. Present themselves instantly, aggressive, and being frontal, dynamic, and ambitious personality. Humble with strong minds, discuss and gain ideas. A unique personality, different from the rest. Independent and dominant. The natives are bold, courageous, and majestic outlook in their lifestyles, approach, and expression. Confident and positive thinking. The natives impress others being noble, classic look, pride, cool and calm, reddish complexion and graceful force, strong body with bones, broadened forehead, beautiful looking eyes and big nose, quite tall, long legs, impressive striking eyes and brilliance. Though they are instant and elegant in nature, but their arrogance, domineering outlook, anger, impatience, and blunted approach create distress orientation, but their aspects of decide to be loved and admiration, gives them a sense of royalty and goodwill, make them warm, action oriented, win good fortunes in life. Simha Rasi masculine members. The masculine natives of Simha Rasi are open hearted, willing to float equally with everyone, glorious, approachable, quite easy and comfortable among the people they move, full of respect and dignified, self motivated, liberated expression, deserves a special place in life, help and inspire others, and reach their potential goals. At times, be bossy, pretend, self centered, stubborn, and stuck in their own ways. The natives are paralyzed from seeing big pictures in their life, conflicting their self interest. The natives thrive when they learn to see the world with better clarity and understanding, and the issues surrounded them will gain confidence, have broad sense of life. Simha Rasi feminine members. Simha Rasi feminine members look gracious, bright and devoted with generosity, impressive outlook with their modest and charming personality. The natives choose a pleasing style, suits their taste and standards, never after luxury and money minded, intelligent, humorous, strong, and natural appearance, hot tempered, dramatic, self indulgent, keep murmuring when things go out of their likes. But all these temperaments turn to be on the better side as they are loyal, kind, polite, and levels of enthusiasm and zeal make a whole lot of difference, achieve positive results in life. Planet Sun, Surya Graha Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhaskaraaya Vidmahe Maktudikharaya Dhimahi Tanno Aditya Prachodayad. Om Ashvatvajaya Vidmahe Padmahastaya Dhimahi Tanna Surya Prachodayad. Planet Sun, Surya Graha Moola Mantra. Jabakushma Sangasam Kashyabeyam Mahatyutim Tamorim Sarva Pabhagnyam Pranatoshmi Divakaram.
Please subscribe to our Vedi Books YouTube channel by clicking on the bell icon.